I love cooking, and I obviously love eating, so when you combine those two things, this is right up my alley.
I am very excited that you're joining us this afternoon for the official launch of Tausch's cooking camp to tackle hunger.
We've been doing a lot of partnerships with Feeding America, and we started to notice there was an increasing need with food that the children were able to manage on their own. And as we had more conversations with them, we realized, well, what if we gave them ways to actually have a broader access, showing them that they really could make meals pretty simply if they just had the information and understood it and learned it. For 8 weeks, they're going to build on the skills from week to week. So they're going to learn skills like knife skills, cutting skills, how to measure things, how to read a recipe.
When you think about it, cooking isn't just about eating, right? There's math skills, right? There you have to learn how to count and measure.
3.5 cups of water, 1 can of tomatoes.
Hopefully at the end of it, they'll have confidence in the kitchen and be able to just really be able to make a recipe themselves.
That's what we're all hoping, is that this is going to end up, helping a lot of people, empower themselves to be able to figure out cooking and all of the other life skills that can go into this.
This was definitely a team effort.
The Tauschers are so involved in every community that we operate in, from Fox Valley all the way down to Madison, where he was Wisconsin Badger. It's just really critical to find ways to leverage those partnerships, because they help bring credibility both to the cooking camp, as well as what we're trying to accomplish in the markets here in Green Bay and the Fox Valley.
This is going to be about teamwork, and when everybody is kind of working together, the possibilities are limitless.
We're actually doing what TDS does best. We're supporting the communities we serve every single day.
TDS really was first to step up and say, we're going to partner with you on this, we believe in this, and we're going to help you make this happen.